Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing review of this Biotic Hub color. It is a color for your hair and you get different colors. I got this natural black one and it is one and written means you can use it for one time. I think it is like 100% gray cover. There is 9 organic herbal extracts in this and it is in 15 minutes you can apply this, and plus it lasts up to 26 shampoos. They have mentioned all the things. What does this contain? It contains a pure cream colorant, then there is a cream developer, there is conditioner, shampoo, there is gloves, and there is one leaflet in it. Now the cost of this is 212 rupees. I got it for 212 rupees. The actual price is 250 rupees and the total quantity that is present inside this is 160 ml, means about all shampoo, colorant, color developer including all, it is 160 ml. Now as they have said, there are natural ingredients in it. So first there is 9 organic herbal extract. There is black tea that moisturizes and adds color to the hair. There is hibiscus that enhances the color and conditions your hair. There is shikakai that moisturizes and adds shine to your hair. There is calendula that is rich in flavonoids and which is essential oil, protects the scalp. Nilini that intensifies color, purifying agent. Tesu that enhances naturally colors and hair. Then there is Bhingraj that strengthens and protects the scalp. There is argan oil that protects and nourishes hair during coloring, and there is avocado oil that helps in toning and soothing properties and also moisturizes and adds shine to your hair. Now here on the other side they have mentioned the color that you might expect if your natural color is so and so. So that is all about the box. This is the outer packaging what was there. So inside when you open it's like this. And you get this leaflet where all the instructions are given as to how you have to apply, what you have to do. Everything is mentioned over here. You all can read it. But I'll be showing you all how to apply, what you all have to mix and all. This is how the leaflet is. They have mentioned everything, the instructions. So these are all the things that you get inside the box. Let's first see the pair of gloves that they are providing. This is how it is, but it doesn't have anything, like I think it's open, it has come out because it's just one side. It's not like a glove, it's like a plastic, only one side. There is nothing that you can put your hand inside, so you just can't, both of them are same. So maybe it was one above the another, I don't know. So you just can't use that particular one. So this is the colorant, the pure cream colorant, that is 50 grams. Here they have mentioned everything, all the ingredients that are present. Then this is the cream, no, this is the colorant and that was the cream developer, that was 60 ml and this is 50 gram. Then you have this small shampoo which they are saying that it is a free sample, which is 25 ml. And also there is a conditioner, again 25 ml, and it is also a free sample. So this is a cream developer which is 60 ml, which you have to take little bit more than what you are taking for the colorant. So this much I have taken. Actually you don't need all of the product for one time use. So this is how the consistency of this is, of the colored cream developer is. After that you have to add this pure cream colorant into it. So you just need to open this. It's packed from inside, so just put that cap from behind and it will get open. And this much amount I'll put. So this is quite thicker compared to that. It was like creamy consistency. So then you all have to mix this properly and apply it to your hair, like wherever you want to color it. It really gives you a very nice result, as I have seen it, and it also lasts quite long. But I would highly recommend you all to do a patch test before using it, because you all might get allergy or something. Then this is a shampoo. This is how the consistency of the shampoo is. It's a very good shampoo. You all can even use it like normally. And then this is the conditioner. I could not give you proper review of this shampoo and conditioner, as they are very small bottles and I can't check it out properly. So this is what they have provided free, which you all have to use it after like you have applied color. I'll be leaving down the link of this in the description box. You all can check it out if you like.